This is our joystick model that allows you to catch various creatures that swim across the screen. Josh and William will only get 30 seconds to catch as many different creatures as they can. At the end of their time, it will show how many creatures they've caught and how many were undersized. This model emphasises legal sizes and reminds users that undersized fish need to be returned quickly and carefully. At the end, it shows how many fish that William caught. We can see 1 blue groper, 3 flathead, 1 shark, 1 blue swimmer crab, and 3 undersized fish.